Hello, what's up guys, welcome back in a video. In this video I'll show you how to create a page and add it in main menu for WordPress website. Okay, you can see this is my website and it shows home, services, phrasing and contact us. I want to about us page. So very first I have to create about us page, then I have to add it in main menu. So go to the admin dashboard, then hover on pages, click on add page. Then add title, you have to give the page title. Here I want to give about us and just publish it. Visit the page and you can edit with the Elementor. I'll show through the another tutorial how to make a page and edit with Elementor. In this tutorial just I am showing how to create a page and add in main menu. So our page has been created. Now I want to add this page in main menu. So go to the appearance and click on menu. So you can see very first about us page. If you can't see here your page, then you can search from here. I don't need search page, that is why my create page is showing very fast. So click on and select this about us and click on add to menu. You can see about us page are showing here. Now I want to give just below the home, so just drag and drop here, then select header menu and save menu, then reload the website. Yes, you can see about us page are showing here. Thanks for watching for video. Please subscribe my channel to get more videos on WordPress.